For our fresh catch for the day, it's the uhu. It's called the parrotfish. It's Hawaiian parrotfish. So to prepare our baked parrotfish, we need some smoked meat, Portuguese sausage, onions, mayonnaise, soy sauce. I have lemon, red bell pepper, celery, salt, garlic powder, and more lemon over there, parsley flakes, pepper, and sesame oil. Wow. Gonna start the preparation. I already preheated our oven for bake for 375. I'm just waiting that to get preheated. So while we're waiting for that oven to get preheated at 375, let's start with our main dressing. I totally forgot a while ago, we need oyster sauce, and I totally forgot regarding our garlic. Okay? Fresh garlic, and I have also some garlic powder over there. So first, I'm just eyeballing it because I'm a cook. I'm a good cook. Put some over there, probably about 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons I should say, and some, this one just a little bit, probably 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, then about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. This up. Mix. So the fish a while ago has already been cleaned by my mom, and all this I pre-cut it a while ago. So now I'm just gonna put some smoked meat over here and some Portuguese sausage mixture. Okay, let's set that aside. First, on your fish, you see all the cuts under guts over there, and it's already clean. So we need to put salt, to have some taste. Make sure there's salt over there. This probably about 1 teaspoon, because some of the meat is already like seasoned. Okay, and then we need garlic powder, in there, and lastly we put our black pepper. Let's just average this all like 1 teaspoon each, because you're gonna taste it later on if you want to add some more. Okay, first we need to stuff our uhu or parrotfish with our mixture of mayo, Portuguese sausage, and smoked meat. This is gonna be replacing the brain also, so put it in there. Put it on the body, so you don't have to put any butter or oil on your pan, because mayonnaise is basically has that oil part already. Okay, just press this all in. in there. Cover everything. And our Portuguese sausage and the smoked meat, once it's starting to cook, it will produce oil. Once that's in, let's squeeze our lemon, onion. I have too much lemon. Forgot to take out the seeds. Time to clean up. And then we're gonna put now our vegetable in there. Parsley. And then celery. We're gonna leave the red bell pepper at the end because it's easy to cook. And then we put the onion. More onion. And then we got smoked meat on top of it. Portuguese sausage. And the garlic. Fresh one, but my mom doesn't eat the fresh one, so I usually use the flex. So I'm putting it like 2 tablespoons of this. And a little bit more garlic powder over there. Edge. Okay, and then we'll cover this with foil. We're gonna bake it for about total baking is 35 to 40 minutes on 375, but we will take it out around 20 minutes to put the red bell pepper. Right. Low. Putting inside the oven. Oven preheated for 375. I'll come back in 20 minutes. So if you like that one, please subscribe and share and comment down below what you want me to do next. And see you in about 20 minutes so we can put the rest of the ingredient inside. Aloha. Okay, it's almost 20 minutes. 16 more seconds. And then we'll check it. Woohoo. Go. That's been 20 minutes over there. Smelling so good. good. This is just optional, the bell pepper, but I want some more color on it since we're cooking. It's called Christmas grass also. They're colorful, so I want it to be colorful too. So we're gonna finish this up in about 15 more minutes on the oven. Same temperature. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, it's almost 15 minutes. There you go. Let's turn that off. And let's see our final. Tastes good. Okay, that's it. That's your uhu baked Hawaiian style. And if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what you want next for me to cook. And let's see you next time. Aloha.